All right, so update number 3, I believe. Shout out to Ship. He told me to go through the wiring, make sure all the connections and fuses were good. Started from the front, found some ones that were disconnected and cut and what's not. Went through the wiring, figured out it's just like a temperature sensor for the tachometer, blah blah blah. Also went down here, noticed my horn was cut off, so I just started labeling things. Fuel level sensor, all these things were cut off. However, the secret and the sauce was in here. So I started going through. I went through these fuse boxes here, all these checked out. Then I went to here to the main fuse, and just grab the old one. So this was in here like that, yeah. And when I used my voltmeter to test, I wasn't getting a beat. Took it out, and yeah, she's all broken. So this is a spare one, so I can just take this and put it in there, but I want to figure out why. I want to know why, she blew. So I just started to, follow the wiring. Then I noticed that this fuse corresponds with these 2 wires here. That fuse supplies the current to these 2 wires, which for some reason are spliced. Doesn't look patent or factory to me, if you might ask. However, I started to follow the cables, blah blah blah. No, it goes to here, to these white and red wires, which come down here, and then they go to here, to those 2 red wires, which then goes to the rectifier. Then I noticed, okay, so a screw is missing, so someone's been here before. Yeah. Then I noticed that where is it? Yeah. So these 2, sorry for the footage. These 2 green wires coming from the rectifier also goes to the battery. And yeah, I noticed that there's some splice right here as well too. So all in all, again, thanks to Ship, I'm going to run through all the wiring with my handy voltmeter and figure out and just repair what needs to be repaired as I go. Right, so yeah, that is the update, and that is potentially why I'm not getting proper spark. But I will go through the wiring, go through the wiring diagram as well, and just to get a better idea as to what's going on. So yeah, probably gonna wrap it up for today and start again tomorrow. Shout out to Ship, man.